Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool broken record video effect on CapCut PC. So you're going to want to cut off kind of like the end. You'll see why later, but you just need to delete it first. Then at the end of the clip that you want to kind of glitch, hold on, maybe about here, you're going to want to split that as well. Then you're going to want to copy and paste it twice, like so. And on the second one, you're going to make it a little bit longer than the first one, and you're going to make it a little bit longer again for the last one. And then on the second one, you're going to select the reverse button. If it looks weird, just adjust it. Maybe the clips are too long. But that is basically it. Really, it is super simple. You're just going to want to adjust it to the song. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!